Over here, now we have studied that area of square is A into A, side into side, perimeter of square is equal to 4A. Area of rectangle is L into B, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Now, this is one plane figure, one face. What we call it square or rectangle, we take it as a one plane surface. Okay? So now we move ahead. Now tell me which figure is this?
Cube.
Cube. Why we call it as a cube? Why we call it as a cube? Because all its sides, all its edges, that is we see over here, this line and this line, length, breadth and height, all are same. All are same. And if you see the faces, what is the shape of this? Come on. You can see my arrow. What is this surface?
Square.
Upper surface?
Square.
Side surface?
Square.
So now tell me how many faces are there to this cube? If you take a cube, how many faces you find it? 6 faces are there. Okay. Now sometimes it happens that if it is hollow, then upper part and lower part are not taken into consideration. Okay. At that time we say that top part is open as well as bottom part is open, and we are only considering the faces, that is side faces. Okay. Who is that? Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. I'm getting disturbed. So now, area of 4 walls. Now, if I consider only the sides portion without considering top and bottom, then there are 4 faces. There are only 4 faces, 4 surfaces. Now, each face has a area A square. Okay, and we are considering 4 faces, so we call it as area of 4 walls, or LSA of cube is 4A square. Please, you have to note it down. In the same way, this area of 4 walls, or LSA, which stands for lateral surface area. Lateral means side का. ठीक है, हम सिर्फ ऊपर का पार्ट और नीचे का पार्ट निकाल देते हैं. टॉप एंड बॉटम, ये दोनों चीजों को हम निकाल सकते हैं, तो हमें 4 सरफेस मिलते हैं, 4 फेसेस मिलते हैं, और फेसेस सारे स्क्वायर शेप में होते हैं, और हर एक स्क्वायर का एरिया होता है ए स्क्वायर. ओके, so lateral surface area, in short we write it as LSA. It is 4A square. Getting my point? Next, total surface area. Now what do you mean by total surface area?
Including top and bottom.
We are including top and bottom. We are including top and bottom. So it is given to be 6A square. There are 6 faces, so we write it as 6A square. We see the dies. Okay, it is cube. We take the example of dice. We take the example of cube, what you used to play.
Yes.
And volume of cube is equal to A cube. Okay? Have you all jotted down? All of you have written it?
Yes.
Now moving to the next part. What is it? Are you able to see?
हम फिगर भी बना रहे हैं.
फिगर आप चलेगा, फिगर नहीं बनाओगे, थोड़ा साइड पे क्यूब लिख दो and try to make it. No, a figure you can make it. It's not a great deal. Okay? Now, Now I move to cuboid. Fine. Now tell me, why this figure is called cuboid?
What?
Why this figure is called cuboid?
Uh, it has a length and breadth and
Here,
a height.
so here horizontal line is length, and then slant height, what you are getting over here is breadth, and the straight line, what you are seeing it here is breadth. So if all three dimension LBH are different, then the figure what we are getting is cuboid. Okay. So again, it has 6 faces over here. Now, if I see the front face over here, this arrow what you can see, then this is rectangle.
Yes.
Then what will be the area of this rectangle?
LB.
LH. It will be L into H. Same way, if my arrow is over here, what will be area of this face?
LB. I'm screen
Now
sharing.
this is B and this is H. So it will be B into H. Okay. So now coming over here, yes.
And please on your screen sharing.
Yes, any doubt?
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑन नहीं है इसलिए पता नहीं चल रहा है वो कहाँ पे
क्या हो रहा है?
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग मैम ऑन नहीं है.
अच्छा, मैं करती हूँ. हो गया?
हाँ
दिखाई दे रहा है सबको?
Yes ma'am.
yes ma'am
Now, so now cuboid. Again, we see that lateral surface area. Now, what do you mean by lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means
top and bottom
only 4 side. टॉप और बॉटम को हम निकाल देते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, now tell me, what is 2 into L plus B? Is it known formula for you?
yes
किसका फॉर्मूला है बताओ?
rectangle का है
ये किसका फॉर्मूला है?
rectangle area
रेक्टेंगल का है, लेकिन क्या चीज का है? Perimeter. Okay, so this LSA can be written as perimeter
into height.
This can be written as perimeter into
Height.
height. Okay, so always remember, when you are talking about lateral surface area, it includes the perimeter part or into height. Fine. Now, what do you mean by total surface area? So when we are talking total surface area, हमेशा याद रखो, total means we are considering all 6 faces. That is, it is including top
All the
as well as bottom.
bottom.
Okay, some figure. Now, if you take a sweet box, okay, sweet box, it is open from top. Okay,
Yes.
if you take a pen holder or a chocolate box or anything, it has to be open from top. Then only you can put it something inside. So sometimes it is required that things have to be open from the top. Okay. So now TSA, total surface area, can be written as 2LB plus BH plus LH. Now how to remember this formula? See, make a circle. Okay. Here you write L, here you write B, and here you write H. Fine. Now, as there are top and bottom, if you see your house, then your flooring part and ceiling part are same. The measurement are
Yes.
same. Two opposite side of your walls are same. Yes.
Yes.
And those things are same. So at a time, if I'm considering this part, this face, then इसका जो opposite part है, it will be the same. ये
Yes.
top part है, तो इसके नीचे का part भी same होगा. Now, coming to this, how to remember this formula? See, everything is 2. So we write it as 2 into.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, L into B. What we write? L into B. See, in a cyclic form, you have to go. L, B. Again comes BH. What we are coming across?
B.
So plus BH.
BH.
फिर क्या आ रहा है साइक्लिक फॉर्म में? प्लस, बोलो क्या आएगा, बताओ? H
L.
L. Okay, it is HL. And here we get the formula of TSA, that is total surface area.
Area.
Now, what is volume of this figure? Cuboid. We write it as L into B into H. Fine. Clear, everybody, till here? Okay. So now we move to the next part, and that is sum. We move to the exercise 13.1, page number 213 of your textbook. Now, no need to copy the question. Okay, it is already there in your textbook. Just focus on the reading part. Fine. So, open your textbook and we start with the very first sum of your textbook. Okay, no need to copy the question. Now, here we can see now. You all have your textbook now with you? Yes. All of you are having textbook?
Yes.
Okay. So we move to the very first question. A plastic box. When you say plastic box, compass should come to your mind. It is plastic. A tiffin box should come to your mind. Okay. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, and 65 centimeter deep. Okay. Is to be made. Now we focus over here. 1.5 meter long. So what is it? We call it as, it is length of the box. What is it? See over here. It is length of the box, 1.5 meter. If I say wide, what do you mean by wide?
Breadth.
Breadth of the box. And if you say deep,
Height.
it becomes height of the box. Fine. So now, and condition is given. It is opened at the top. What is it? It is opened at the top. So upper part. Now what are the dimensions involved in the upper part? It is length and breadth. पार्ट में क्या आएगा? अपर और बॉटम पार्ट में हमेशा लेंथ और ब्रेथ आएगा. ठीक है. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. हमें कितना एरिया इसमें फाइंड करना है, कितना हमें प्लास्टिक यूज हो रहा है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. Okay. So now, and we have to find the cost. That part we see it afterwards. Okay. So now, always form the habit of writing given part first. Okay, so give the statement given, and whatever things you are given, you have to put it down. हाँ,
यूनिट अलग कन्वर्ट करना है ना.
क्या?
मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट
Yes, I'm coming to that point. Yes, I'm coming to that. So now, given part. Always it is must to write given part. First, you have to identify the figure, whether it is cube or cuboid. पहले वो identify करो, ठीक है? और फिर हमें given part पे जाना है. Now, given part पर हमें क्या दिया है? Length दिया है 1.5 मीटर. Okay? Breadth दिया है 1.25 मीटर. Okay? Now, and height दिया है 65 सेंटीमीटर. तो सेकेंड थिंग जो हमें ध्यान रखना है ये इसी में, तो ये है यूनिट्स पर. किस पर रखना है? यूनिट्स. सो व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद द सम, आपको याद रखना है कि सारे डायमेंशंस का यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए. लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट, वो तीनों एक ही यूनिट होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर दो मीटर में दिए, लेंथ और ब्रेथ आपको मीटर में दिया गया और हाइट आपको सेंटीमीटर में दिया है. तो क्या करेंगे हम सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में करेंगे. तो हमें पता है 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू
100 centimeter.
So we divide 65 upon 100. Small to big, divide. Okay. So we get 0.65. That is 2 decimals we move and we get 0.65. Fine. Now, how many faces area we have to find? Find the, as it is open. See, the key word over here, what you can see is like open. What type of figure it is? It is open. So how many faces we have to consider of this box?
5.
है ना?
5.
We have to consider 5 faces. So we have to remove this face from total surface area. Okay. So what will be my formula? Total surface area minus the top area. Okay. So here we go for, first we try to find TSA of the box. Now what is formula for TSA? 2 into LB plus BH plus HA. Okay. Now we put the value. 2 into, what is L? 1.5 into 1.25 plus, put all the values B और H सारा यहाँ से उठाकर यहाँ रखो. Start writing, come on. Have you written this step? No need to copy your sums, okay? Questions आपको copy नहीं करना बेटा. So on this multiplication you are going to get 1.875. This multiplication you are going to get 0.8125 and this multiplication you are going to get 0.9. तो multiplication में doubt है क्या? सबको आता है?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So my total area comes out to be 7.325. Now this is TSA. TSA में कितने faces include होते हैं? TSA में कितने faces include होते हैं? 6 faces. और हमें एरिया कितने faces का फाइंड करना है?
5.
क्यों? 5
क्योंकि बॉटम पार्ट नहीं है.
Box is open from top. Fine. Remove it. You have to remove top portion. And what is the area of this top portion?
1.875.
It is L into B. Okay? Area. I'm not talking about length. Area. So area is L into B. So now what we do? Area of the sheet required for making box is equal to total surface area minus L into B. Top को हम निकाल देंगे. Okay? Now we write the formula again. Value, put the values. 7.325 minus 1.5 into 1.25. So you will get answer 5.45 meter. Done? Now, what else we have to find in the second question? The cost of sheet for it. If the sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. तो 1 meter square का cost होता है 20 rupees. और हमारे पास कितना टोटल एरिया है?
5.45 meter square.
A sheet measuring 1 meter square is rupees 20. Therefore, 5.45 meters square cost 20 into 5.45, and that is rupees 109. That is 109. Clear to all? Any doubt? Any doubt till here?
No.
No? Okay. We move to the next question. Have you all completed?
Yes.
Okay. So we move to next questions. Question number 2. Now over here. Length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. LBH are given to you. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.5 meter square. Okay. So again it is cuboid in shape as LBH are different. So given figure is cuboid. Now always when we whitewash, we don't whitewash the floor. Our flooring has tiles. Okay. So whitewashing is done on 4 walls as well as top portion, that is ceiling. Okay. So what is given part?
Length, breadth,
And breadth and height.
Length, breadth, and height.
Okay. Check the units.
Meter, meter,
All
meter.
are meters, so no need to convert. Okay. Now we whitewash 4 walls and the ceiling of the room. So what we are not whitewashing? Floor. Okay.
Floor.
So what we have to do to find this portion? area of cuboid minus area of ओके ऑल 6 साइड्स का हम फाइंड करते हैं और अंदर से बेस निकाल देते हैं. नाउ बेस का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? L into B. So area to be whitewashed is the area of the cuboid minus area of base. Okay.
94 meter. 94 meter.
Yes. Now, area of cuboid again we write it as 2 into LB plus BH plus LH minus area of base will be, बोलो क्या होगा area of base? LB. Okay. So now we put all the values. Put all the values. Come on. Put all the values. 5, 3, 5, 4, 3 minus 5 into 4. I'm doing now at a time, not separately. Okay. What answer you got? It is 74 meter square. Okay. Now what do you want to find? Cost of whitewashing. So what is per meter square? Cost
7.50.
So whatever cost you are getting it, you multiply it by 7.50. You will get the total cost of whitewashing. Done? So here, this is cost of whitewashing meter square. Per meter square area is rupees 7.50. So cost of whitewashing 74 meter square area equal to rupees 74 into 7.50.